The final 2 days are getting really tough. My health is getting worse. So I have left from Dingboche and today it's Lobuche. Way higher. It's around 16,200 feet. The weather has cleared up a little, but it's not that sunny. So it's way up. It's like 700 for a room. So you have 2 beds, so you can share with 2 people, else you have to pay alone. So that's Lobuche, and it's always important to do some height gain, go high and sleep low. So tomorrow is the D-Day to the base camp, Everest base camp. Really cold today. It's anywhere -5, -10 right now. Very cold. That's the Gorakhsep, Kala Pathar, and this way to the Everest base camp. So Everest is behind this. Okay, how much is the charge? 700. Okay. After 13-14 days, I'm here. Congrats! Yeah, finally at the base camp. Yeah. Now I'm going back to Gorakhsep. It's not yet over. So there is still another point, like the Kala Pathar, which is the viewpoint of Mount Everest. I'll do that tomorrow morning. So at Gorakhsep, and like said, heading to Kala Pathar, the highest point, which is around 18,200 feet. So that's the point, Kala Pathar, and that's Mount Everest behind this. Oh man, I'm at the summit of Kala Pathar, 5.45 meter. I feel good. Wow. This is Lingtre, Khumbutse, that's Changse, and Khumbu Icefall below, and Everest at the center, south col of Everest. Then it Nupse. Then far at the center, Ahmedablam. Then it's Kantega and Thamserku. So this is the end point of my trek, last point, and it's all about descent. So 14th day of my Nepal trek, and it's been like really beautiful. I won't say it was easy, it was tough. Today I'm going to Pangboche, so till evening I might reach, and it's like 108 kilometers till now, and still 92 kilometers to go downhill. The expensive stay was 500 rupees, and the most reasonable was like, that was a free stay at Paya. The most expensive food, like the dal bath, 850 at Gorakhsep, and the most reasonable was rupees. And coming to the water, on the whole trail I didn't buy a single bottled water, so I was drinking the stream water. If you are on a trail, trek, or anywhere in the mountains, carry your own waste, put it in your bag, and take back to the land, take back to your city, and dump it there. Because in mountains there is no waste management for waste. Really hungry, I didn't have breakfast, so hopefully I had my laddus from my mom's. They are the real heroes. Albert?
Your friend.
Hello!
How are you?
I'm good.
Okay.
Bye Albert, it was
Okay.
great meeting you.
Thank you, my
Yeah.
friend. I
Yeah.
see you again, maybe in Mexico.
Yeah. Or India,
Okay,
anywhere.
yeah, maybe. Why
Yeah.
not?
Why not?
Okay.
Anywhere.
Take care.
Take care of you too.
It's
and
a pleasure. I
it
will
was-
make the trek with you.
It is like overjoyed to see people again when you expect we are not gonna meet again. Albert, meet you soon anywhere. Bye. हाथी कैसे ठीक छ राम्रो राम्रो the final 2 days are getting really tough. My health is getting worse. My both the nostrils are blocked. I am feeling little feverish as well, and the bag which is hurting my shoulder and my pelvic bone. All in all, it's an unwell descent. So probably I'll make it today and finally tomorrow as well. Hello. Hello. भूलता नहीं क्या? नहीं. ओह, आपकी क्लास कौन सी है? ओलाश. So on the day I will reach Kathmandu, I'll be taking bath after 19 days. One thing that I have limited number of socks, so I wash my socks and hang it here, and it dries up, and I use it. This is the Faflu airport, and in few more minutes I will reach the lodge where I stayed earlier, and then I will inquire about tomorrow's transport till Kathmandu. So going up the mountains is number 2 priority, and coming down safely is number 1 priority. So I feel really happy that I'm back alive. In short while I will share you my total cost of the trek. So that's Raxol station, and I'm in India right now, and it's been an amazing trekking experience in Nepal to Everest Base Camp. Now I will tell me the cost, like the day from I started from here, and today it's like 20th day, and it's been like 21,000 of Indian rupees. So yes, that's got really economical, and I didn't compromise at any point, but no luxury also at any point, but it was an amazing experience. Thank you. Hope you would have liked this whole journey. Thank you.